All right, guys, we got a 2026 Hurricane Ram all the way from Maryland. You can hear it. It doesn't sound like that Hemi anymore. Hurricane. See the sticker? I don't know if I like that. It doesn't sound like a real truck anymore. I'm glad they brought back the Hemis, guys. But I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before. Again? You guys can hear it. It's quiet. Again? Ram Rebel 4x4. It's so quiet. Not for long. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to do a Flowmaster Super 10 on it. That kind of guy, guys. Look, it's only got 600 miles on it. See it? Ha! I love it. That's the new Hurricane. That's what it looks like on the inside. 2026. Black door handles. It's the Rebel edition. Not bad at all. I like it. I don't like the motor, but I like it. But a lot of people like this motor. They say it's very torquey. So, Ram Hurricane. We're going to start from the back to the front. There's the tips. They're 4-inch tips on these. Black chrome. Not bad. Did better than before, the smaller ones. Then it's got 2 resonators. Big boys right there. I don't know why it's quiet, because we did straight pipe another one. And then it wised dual into a single for some reason. Instead of single out, single in, they made it dual again. So there it is. There's a single inlet. 2 huge cats on one side, as you guys can see there. Check it out. There it is from this side. Ram Hurricane dual. Look at that Y pipe assembly on it. Crazy. There's the muffler. Y pipe assembly there into 2 resonators. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it after. Another Hurricane in the shop. 2026 Ram Hurricane. There's the downpipes. Cats are up there. It's only got 600 miles on it. Love it. Then it winds into a single there. 3.5-inch pipe. Then we added a 3-inch pipe, as you guys can see there, and added a Flowmaster Super 10. Look at the welds. Factory welds. I love it. I love my guys. Flowmaster Super 10, single in, dual out. 8425152. Right there. Then the tailpipes out the sides on each side. And we kept the resonators on it. We didn't take them off because he didn't want it too loud and he has a camper. But there's the stock muffler that was on it. It's a single in, dual outlet right there. So they changed it up from your standard single in, single out on these Rams. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go, guys. Ram 2026 Hurricane Rebel with a Flowmaster Super 10. Let's go. It's got some tone now, finally. Do you want it louder? No. Hold on. So that's idle, guys. $66.8. All right, give it a gas. You want it louder?
Sounds good.
You like it?
But how would you make it louder?
There's 2 resonators on the back, 2 miniature mufflers we can take off.
Oh yeah?
So try this for a week, because you're going to stay here for a while.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Try it for a week and see how you like it. If it's not loud enough and you want it louder, bring it back.
Okay.
Then we cut the back 2 off. Go ahead, give it gas. Again. It's not bad. It has a little bit of tone to it. Give it gas again. Here's sound decibels. We're right at 87, 88. Again. That's idle. Give it gas. There's a rev limiter on it too, so you can't rev it up.
Yeah.
All right, gotta back it out. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. That's our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike.
I may be coming back.
You thinking you want it louder, right?
We'll see.
Yeah, try it out for a week. You see them right there? That's the resonators, guys, right there, that I was telling them to take off. You see how big they are?
Yeah.
There's the pipe and there's the resonators. There's one there and one on the other side. Give it gas. Again. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Something very special about this guy. His name is Mark. He came all the way from Maryland. And guess what? Look what it says on his shirt. This should explain it. He just had a heart transplant. How long ago?
About 6 months.
About 6 months ago. He's had a at Vanderbilt. Number one heart transplant in the world, guys.
Yeah.
And look at him now.
Be a donor.
And he advocates for being a donor. So guys, be a donor if you can. Always check that box. You never know when you give a life to somebody else. You can be a blessing to somebody else. So I just want to put that out there. We appreciate you for coming in.
You. Come down and see Junior and the boys.
Thank you so much for your blessings.
Job got me out of here quick.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
It was a blessing, my friend. Thank you again for showing up. We'll see you next time. If you need anything, let us know, okay? Thank you again, Mark. Take care. So that is crazy, guys. He just had a heart transplant. I had to ask him before I say anything. And he's like, yeah, absolutely. So that, be a blessing to somebody else. Always be a donor if you can. Enjoy, guys. Anyways, back to the action. Flowmaster Super 10 on a Ram Hurricane. That's a quick truck. Sounds good too. It's not too bad for a V6. Not bad at all. Enjoy, guys. Only at Exhaust Addicts. Guys, day 2, round 2, Ram Hurricane. He brought it back. I knew he was going to bring it back. He said it's not loud enough. He wanted it louder. So he brought it back. Inline 6 right there, Hurricane. Double the cats right there. Everything stayed the same over here under the undercarriage. 3.5-inch pipe. Flowmaster Super 10 stayed the same. Duals out the back. But now, no more resonators. We cut them off there and there. So it's only got a Flowmaster Super 10 system. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Are you guys ready? And there's the 2 resonators that were on it that we cut off. Oh, it's significantly louder. Right at 79 now. It was like 68 before. Give it gas. Again. Yeah, much better. Yeah, it's almost at 100 now. Again. One more. It's right at 99. Again. I like it. Go ahead and back it up for what it is. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Now it's got a tone to it. It didn't have no tone before. I wonder if they sell a lot of these in Florida because of the name. Better? Show me the thumbs up. Yeah, he's happy now. Now you can hear it, you know?
It's got a little birdie.
And what I did is I put you the resonators in the back, just in case it drones too much when you pull that trailer, you can always put them back on. The resonators we took off, if you need to, you know? If it drones or under load, we don't know what it does, you know? I don't think it will, but you never know. It's a lot cleaner. Again? Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram Hurricane. Bow. Hurricane. With Flowmaster Super 10, double resonator delete. We're gonna do a comparison video for you guys. So Flowmaster by itself and then with the resonator delete. Tell us which one you guys like best. That is clean. Oh, wow. Not bad. Yeah, Flowmaster 10 sounds good. We'll see what the next one we do. We'll do a different setup and let you guys know. Stay tuned.